Welcome to in Boolean mode tutorial for MySQL. My name is Caleb Curry, and I will be explaining some cool concepts for this. Hey! Sorry, someone was waving to me outside. But anyways, basically, when we search terms, we can actually say which ones are more important. In the last video, I said, in parentheses, match against, and you could say like, cost. Well, let's say I want cost to be super important. I could use a plus sign, and it has to be in the results in order to show up. And another thing, the more results you have, this can actually work better, because if you only have like 5 results, it's not going to be such great of a search engine. But if you have like billions, or quadrillions, or gajabillions, which I don't think that's a word, but this will work great. So basically, these will all do things. The plus means it has to be in there. That word has to be in the search results. The minus sign means it can't be. So if you don't want anything to do with mushrooms, because mushrooms are disgusting, then you could say mushrooms. So you could say, you'd be searching, what is the greatest web browser? And then you can say minus mushrooms, so nobody talks about these stupid mushrooms that you hate. So the next one is a less than sign. This will say it is less important. So let's say we have the word printer with nothing, and this is worth like 5 points for the search. I don't really know how they search, but let's just say it gives you 5 points. And then you use a less than sign, it may actually give you only 3 points towards your search. So it doesn't contribute as much. So when you get the results, you can say, oh, this one has printer. Let's put it at the top because it's worth 5 points, where 3 isn't as relevant to what you want to find. That was a stupid example. Now the greater than sign is actually going to increase the importance. So now printer may be worth 7 and mushroom will be worth 3. Or if we take this out, it may be worth 5. Basically, it's not going to be as wanted or as high in the search results if it contains a less than sign. But if it has a greater than sign, it'll be higher up within the search results if it has stuff about printers. So I hope you're understanding this. Understanding this? Now the next two, these ones are for more specific things, such as you say, let's say you say all your base are belong to us, and you want that exact phrase, you can put this within parentheses. Oh, blah blah blah, you see? So that will work for specifics, but if you don't want that, you can separate the words without quotation marks. And what it will do is it will just go through the words, it'll ignore that because it's 3 characters and so forth. It'll do its thing. It's like a mathematical equation that you don't have to do. It's pretty cool. The last one here that I have listed is the wildcard. This is very similar to the like that we used for comparison operators a while ago, like 400,000 videos ago. But anyways, basically this will allow for anything to be included before or after a word. So let's say you really like bras, okay? So, bra. Now, if you were to put this before this word, that's by the way is a capital 8 or an asterisk. I can't draw them because I'm just not a good artist. So I usually draw like a big ball that looks sort of like a star-ish kind of thing. But anyways, this would return zebra and sports bra, you see? Basically anything before the word bra, as long as bra is the ending. Now you could also instead put this at the end, right here, and the result would be anything starting with bra, such as brain, or such as brakes. You see? So this will change. I know this is a stupid example like always, but anyways, it'll allow you, if you're not sure how it'll be spelled, such as like I can't think of any other examples. That's why I have a stupid one here. But it'll allow you to get more specific or less specific results just depending on what the word is and what you are looking for. So yeah, you can try that out. And there's also a couple other of these things that I'm not going to be talking about. So you can look those up on the MySQL manual. You should be able to find them there. This will not automatically put things in relevant order from top being the most relevant and bottom being the least relevant. So you have to do that a different way. So I will be teaching that in the next video. But before we leave, I have to tell you how to do this because I never really actually taught you. So let me just erase all this crap. Before we had match, and then we had the columns, against, and then we had what words. This is where we would use the code things, plus, minus, less than, so forth. And then you say in Boolean or Boolean, depends on how you pronounce it. I say Boolean, but that's probably not right. I've heard Boolean, but I don't say things how they're supposed to be spelled, because I'm hardcore. I mean said. I don't say things how they're supposed to be said. But anyways, yes, this is how you say. You say match, parentheses, against, what, in Boolean mode. My apologies, I was practicing this, and this actually goes within the parentheses here. So you should have it like this, in Boolean mode, within the against. But everyone makes mistakes, right? I'm sorry, don't hurt me. You should have your terms in quotation marks, and in Boolean mode is not within the quotation marks, but it's still within the parentheses. Thanks for watching, I'm Caleb, and I'll see you in the next video. Why do I keep pointing like a gun? My name's Caleb, and I'll see you in the next video. Whoa, I don't even know what that is. Wah! Whatcha! My name is Caleb, and I'll see you in the next video. My name is Caleb, and I will see you in the next video. Gosh, it's so stupid. Cheesy.